Alright, so what we're gonna do in this, we're gonna configure the GPO. So basically, the GPO, the group policy object, there's just it lists well, it could list specific rules you want to enable on each user computer that on the domain. So like if you don't want them to fix, so if you don't want them to change your wallpaper, you can configure the group policy to do that. So what we'll do is we go into administrative tools. You go into group policy management. So you make sure we have all these expanded group policy object. You would right click here, click new. I'll just name this rules. Click OK, and then you click on rules here. Wait, no, sorry, wrong thing. Edit, my bad. So if you go into user configuration, then policies, you just go down into administrative templates, and you will see these list of options. So what I'm going to do for my group policy, I wouldn't want I don't want my users able to add or remove programs. So we'll just look for that option, remove add room programs, right? So you click on this, and if you click explain, it will see exactly what this function does. So you just go back here, you click enabled, press apply, then OK. So that's the first rule we're gonna do. And now for display. Now next thing we're gonna do, you click on Google. But I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna enable the screensaver. Hit apply. Press OK. And let me think. Next thing I want to do, when the screensaver goes on, I want it to automatically lock. So I press OK, apply, and screensaver. So we'll enable it. I'll probably set this to about 20 seconds for the sake of this tutorial. Press apply again, OK, and changing wallpaper. I don't want anybody who's on my domain to change the wallpaper because that's how I want it. Press OK. So what else should we do? No, not desktop. We're going to network. Hmm. Alright, so you just do those. Well, you just do those selected few for now. So you just close off this. Um, the next thing we do, we click on the domain. Sorry, my bad. Clicked on forest by mistake. What we'll do, we'll link an existing GPU. So I'll click on rules, click OK. So let me just make sure the status is enabled. Right. So the next thing we'll do, we're going to command prompt. You type in gp update slash force. And you'll just wait for a few seconds. Alright, so as you can see, the update has successfully completed. Alright, so to see if the policy did implement, if you remember earlier, I set the timer on the screensaver, so this would prevent the user from changing the timer settings. But that was one of the things I did. So if you look here, you could see that this doesn't have the option again. So as you see there, it does well enforce one time when you do it in command prompt. Basically, that's it. Yeah. So you do this, and you set the rules that you want to do in your policy. And I hope this video is somewhat informative, or at least help to implement your policies of your own. So thanks again for watching.